Hi, this is Ed Kettle with Results Property Management, and today I wanted to talk about making more money with your real estate investment. Of course, you could try to charge the highest possible rent that you can get, but it's been my experience that if you charge a little bit less rent, you get a better pool of tenants that apply for your property, and you rent your property more quickly. If you have a vacancy that lasts for more than 30 days, you've lost a whole month's rent. If you divide that over a year, in most cases you won't have received more rent if you're charging more rent. Another way to spread the costs and make more profit is to ask the tenants to pay the utilities. They're the ones using them. At our company, we charge the tenants on most of our properties. Another way is to make sure that you have highly qualified tenants and well-screened tenants. Tenants that are going to not be so hard and so tough on the property that you're constantly doing repairs. All of this is achieved by having a more competitive rent.